Daredevil Dynamite plus Bagless upright vacuum with tools, M084650 red. The lightweight and compact size make it the perfect solution for quick pickups and daily cleaning. It weighs less than 9 pounds and features a retractable handle. Take it anywhere, store it anywhere. Strong suction power and a revolving brush attack and lift dirt from deep within carpets, while a unique Scuff Guard traps debris on hard surfaces without scratching delicate finishes. The features of Daredevil Dynamite plus Bagless upright vacuum with tools, M084650 red. Dynapower, 26.0 cleaning effectiveness. Lightweight, weighs less than 11 pounds. Cleans carpets and bare floors. Easy to empty dirt container. HEPA filtration.